Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan scrambled eggs without tofu. First, gather your key ingredients: chickpea flour, black salt, and nutritional yeast. Chickpea flour forms the perfect base, giving our scramble a wonderful texture. Black salt is absolutely crucial for that authentic eggy taste, while nutritional yeast adds a lovely savory, cheesy note. These three components are the secret to a truly satisfying, tofu-free breakfast. Now, let's create our scramble batter. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of chickpea flour, 1 teaspoon of black salt, and 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Then, gradually add 1 cup of unsweetened plant milk and 1/4 cup of water. Mix thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, pourable consistency, ensuring there are no lumps. This well-combined batter is the foundation for your amazing vegan eggs. It's time to cook. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour the entire batter mixture into the pan. Let it cook undisturbed for about 1 minute, allowing the edges to set. Then, using a spatula, gently break up and scramble the mixture, stirring continuously for 3 to 5 minutes until it's firm but still moist. Your delicious vegan scrambled eggs are ready. Serve them hot alongside some toasted bread, fresh avocado, or your favorite breakfast vegetables. Feel free to customize by adding sautéed onions, mushrooms, or spinach during the last few minutes of cooking. This incredible, tofu-free scramble offers a rich, savory, and distinctly eggy flavor that will truly satisfy your morning cravings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.